Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to install a Kanban Task Manager inside a Microsoft Teams tab. First of all, you need to create a new page on your SharePoint site. If you don't know where your SharePoint site is, then just go to the Files tab on your Teams here, and here you'll find your Open in SharePoint. I've already done that, so now I'm just going to create the page there. Create the page. Just a blank page is fine. Create page. And Kanban Task Manager benefits from having a lot of space, so let's just remove everything else there. And in a Teams site, which this is of course, then you cannot add it here. As you see, they only have this there's only the banner web part that's officially supported there. But if you search for all web parts and search for Kanban there, then it will place it underneath here, which is smaller, but then you can actually drag and drop it up there and it will work. So that's what I recommend doing. So then you'll have a full page with web part there, and that's it. So now we just publish and save this page, of course. Yes, now we need to give it a title. So we just call it KTM Teams, and then we publish that. And now inside the Teams here, we just add that. Now I'm using the web-based version of Teams, but it's exactly the same thing on the Teams application also. Search for SharePoint. We want the SharePoint page, of course. And we find this new KTM Teams that I just created a few seconds ago. Save that. And there we go. There's my KTM displaying inside of a SharePoint page. And I think I should have removed the ability to comment there. We don't really want that. So let's remove that there. Now it's off and we republish. And yes, now we have a full screen version of that inside of Microsoft Teams, KTM Teams. And there are your teams. And let's go into the client also. There's the tab right there. And there is Kanban Task Manager running inside Teams. So I'll also go in and actually create some example data here, so you can see it in action, and just put all the features on here, there, and now it's creating those items. And there you can see it in action and see that it actually does work also inside Teams. And I have the Kanban view, the grid view, and everything works inside there. So that's the way it's supposed to do. Alright, thank you for watching this demo.